Hey there, I'm Rena and it's Mama Nurture Monday, which means I'm coming to you with prenatal yoga teaching tips and tutorials. Today's tutorial is on Vishnu's couch, and sometimes we're called Reclined Buddha. So we'll come to lying on the side, have the hips stacked and the head supported or all the way down. Your students can decide what feels best. Hips are stacked, heels are in line with the hips. I like the bent knee version, so that's what I'll show you here. And then as you breathe in, fill the body with breath, make room for baby here, and as you breathe out, bring the knee toward the chest. Sometimes we do this as an alternative to squat. It's kind of like a reclined half squat. The foot is flexed here, and then from here, you can straighten the leg, so you can hold on behind the thigh, or even with a strap. And then from here, you can take it to a nice quadricep stretch, just reaching the heel behind, reaching for that foot. If they can't reach the foot, they can use a strap. Flexing into that foot feels really nice. You can also do an underhand grip here. Either way, encourage this opening in the chest and shoulders because it really helps make space for the breath to come in and out. As we know, as baby moves up, there's less space here for a nice full breath. So release that. You could also do that with the bottom leg straight. You could do all of that just the same with the bottom leg more straight, but I really like the bent knee version because it provides a lot more support, and I find that prenatal students would rather have that. So that's just for you to know. This also can be a great option for a birthing position if the prenatal student is required to lie on the side or required to lie down. This can be a great way to do that. This is really great for low back pain. It helps improve circulation. I mean, there's just so many benefits to this. You should just probably do this every day. It's really great, and I do it with my yin yoga classes too. This can be very meditative and help with focus, so you can do this in a bit of a flow. So I'll show you that here. So breathe in, breathe out, knee comes toward the chest. Breathe in, leg extends. Out, leg comes behind. Maybe take a full round of breath here, breathing in and out. Next breath in, that leg goes up, out, comes toward the chest, and in it goes back down. And of course you want to do both sides. So I hope this has been helpful and you enjoy it. And this might be new to you. I hope it is, and if not, maybe you found a variation that you haven't done before, comment below and let me know what you think. And remember, our special announcement that we've had lately is Shannon and I will be doing a live webinar on cautioned and contraindicated poses for prenatal yoga on September 16th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And there's an event on the Mama Nurture page, and it's also shared on my Empowered Yoga Teaching page. So join us for that. I will see you then. Have a great one.